Welcome students in the series of perimeter and area. Today's topic is area. Area of shape is amount of space it covers. See these shapes? The boundary is called perimeter, but the space these shapes are covering is called area. Observe this closed figure. In this closed figure, the area is this blue shaded part. I have drawn square boxes here. We can find out area just by calculating, or we can say counting these square boxes. If side of one square is 1 centimeter, then we can find out area just by counting the squares. Let us count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Total squares are 22. It means area of this closed figure is 22 square centimeter. We can write like this also, area equals to 22 square centimeters, and this is also a way to write centimeter square with this power 2. Thus, we can say that area measures the surface of a closed region and the units of area are the square of the units of length. For example, centimeter into centimeter, and we can write it like square centimeters, meter into meter, and we can write like this square meters. And to find area of a simple closed region by counting squares, we ignore and do not count the squares that are less than half. If a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. And if a square is half, we count 2 halves as 1 square unit. Let us find out area of a simple closed region by counting squares. Here is this simple closed region, and there are squares, boxes, and let us calculate how many full squares are there. So these are the full squares. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 full squares are there. It means we will write number of full squares equals to 29. Now here are 4 half squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are exactly half squares and they are 4. And we know that 2 half squares will be treated as 1 full square. That's why we can say that number of half squares equals to 4, which is equals to 2 full squares. So how many full squares? Total area equals to 29 plus 2 square centimeters. That is equals to 31 square centimeters. Let us solve one more question of area just by counting squares. Here is a closed region. And how many full squares? These are the full squares. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So number of full squares equals to 22. And if you will observe this figure, you will find out that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 exactly half squares are there. It means we will write number of half squares equals to 6, which will be equals to 3 full squares. So area equals to 22 plus 3 square centimeters. That is equals to 25 square centimeters. Let us solve one more questions. Here is a closed region. Let us find out how many full squares. So these are the full squares and let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Number of full squares equals to 16. And how many half squares? 1, 2. 2 half squares, which is equals to 1 full square. So area equals to 16 plus 1 square centimeter, and we can say that is 17 square centimeters. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.